Hello, I'm Abhijit, Senior Web Methods Developer and an Architect. So I am going to explain about the integration of Twilio with Web Methods. So in this, what are we going to do is before proceeding with this video, I have created an account in Twilio. Twilio is a messaging app which gives you the flexibility to send messages to any WhatsApp number. So when you create an account, it generates you a number, and you have your username and passwords. And the API request will be generated by that, and you have a try it option to test how this works. So before starting this, I've created a Twilio account and did this configuration. So as part of this, now what I'll be doing is, since my account is already created, I have written a Java service for generating an OTP. So my use case is to just generate a 6-digit OTP and send it to a number. So this is how I'll be doing. So for doing that, I just created a Java service which uses the secure random class for generating the OTP. And since I said it's a 6-digit OTP, I'm using an integer and adding and getting the random number and generate the 6-digit for that. So without any further ado, let's proceed with that. As I said, I have already created an account in Twilio. So this is where my details will be here. This is how a Twilio looks like. So in the Twilio console, I just created my account and then kept the details. So let's give it some time. See, I have a sandbox account already created, and it will give you the details. So additionally, I have just scanned the WhatsApp QR code and kept it ready. And as I said, I've written a Java service for it. I'll show you the Java service, what exactly it does. So I've used the secure random, as I said earlier. Secure random uses the secure random class to generate the secure digit, random digit. So I'm adding the 6-digit number to it to generate it, and I'm just converting that to the string to be displayed in the output. So when I just run this now, if you see this, it generates the 6-digit OTP. So this is the number that will be generated. And let's say I wanted to send this OTP to a WhatsApp number. So I've written a service, which is this, where I'm just, as I said, like I'm just generating an OTP here, and I'm making a call to the Twilio API here, which takes the input of URL. The method that we'll be going to use is post, and I'm passing the username details and all. And for sending the WhatsApp number, we need two, and the from number. Two number is the one which you generated. I mean, it's the WhatsApp number to which you wanted to send the number. From number is the one which is generated to you by the Twilio. And additionally, you need to pass the content SID and the content variables. So content variables, I'm just using the OTP. I just substituted that value here. And content SID is the one with these details you get it from the Twilio messaging app. Now, let's say if I wanted to send an OTP now, and I could run this service, it has generated an OTP now, and it will be sent to the WhatsApp message which I just needed. And if I go to my WhatsApp now, you'll get an OTP here. And if you see, it's the 17148 and is your verification code. And it's a message from Twilio to the WhatsApp. And the same number, if you see the OTP, it's 1714889. This is the one which is generated from the system. So this is how you integrate Twilio with the web methods integration server. It is just for sending the message. So in reality, what happens is You store this number in the cache or in any one of the file system and set a time to live. Let's say if the OTP is valid for 60 seconds, as suppose. Now we will have one more service to validate the OTP. Let's say when the OTP is generated, I'm storing it in my cache. And when the user inputs us that OTP, we verify it against the cache or in our DB and calculate the time to live, whether it is passed within the time limit, 60 seconds. Then we allow the access to our APIs. This way, you can use this can be used as an MFA for the calling the APIs or doing whatever transactions you need. Thank you.